so today I will be trying the cabbage soup diet, and probably some of you are wondering like, why in the world are you doing this diet? Because right now I feel like a bloated flamingo, and it's probably because I have been eating a lot of not so healthy foods and bad foods lately that I just want to cleanse and detox myself. And they said the cabbage soup diet is actually great, especially the cabbage, because it helps with your digestion, and this is just to jumpstart your healthy eating. Also, to some of you who are planning to lose weight, the cabbage soup diet claims that you can lose up to 10 pounds in just 7 days of doing this whole diet. Or to some people, they also claim that they lost 1 kg a day. I think that's 2 pounds a day, just simply by following this diet. So now today, not only am I going to do the whole cleansing thing, but also I just wanted to test out if the claims are true or not. Okay, so in the cabbage soup diet, there are several rules. Actually, I've been reading, and there's a ton of like websites and videos that suggest that you must do this and do that. They have certain rules. From what I've seen on this website, this diet is actually not very hard to do at all compared to the IU diet. I'm just gonna read you some of the rules, and as I've said, the rules really vary on how you approach this diet. Okay, so to some people, they said that you should just eat the cabbage soup alone for 3 days, and you can't snack in between. You just have to drink water, or if you want, you can also drink green tea. But apart from that, you will just have to eat the cabbage soup diet. So that is the option number 1. Or I found here on this website that it says you are allowed to eat 1 to 2 low-calorie foods daily in addition to the soup. Alright, so it says here that on day 1, you can have unlimited cabbage soup with fruits but no bananas. On day 2, you can only eat soup and vegetables. On day 3, it says here to eat as many fruits and vegetables as you can. Okay, on day 4, it says that you can eat bananas, skim milk, cabbage soup. And here on day 5, it says that you're allowed to eat beef or chicken and fish. Or you can also have fresh tomatoes and drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water. So see, as I've said, this diet is not very hard to do. Now on day 6, it says that you can eat soup, beef, and vegetables. You can also eat baked potatoes and leafy greens. On day 7, you may have vegetables, brown rice, and unlimited fruit juice, but no added sugar. So for me, I'm not necessarily going to follow all of the rules. Okay, so my approach to this is that I am going to replace my meals with a cabbage soup, but along with that, I'm also going to eat fruits with it in this whole 3 days. And then for the drinks, I am going to just drink water. And also after 3 days, I'm gonna let you all know how I feel about this diet, because right now I'm actually having sort of like digestive issues and all that, and I want to know if this can help. Okay, so my waistline is 27.5. It's actually almost 28. So I'll just say it's 28. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and weigh myself. Day 1 of the cabbage challenge, so let's get cooking. The soup is done and it tastes really good, so I'm ready to eat because I'm really hungry now. Now I'm just gonna eat this while I'm working. It's so weird eating soup early in the morning. This is not exactly the breakfast that I'm expecting, but okay. I think this could work if I actually have rice with it, but... Okay, so in between, I'm just gonna eat fruit. So I am going to eat pineapples. So it's lunchtime, and guess what I'm eating? Soup again. Okay, so far, not so bad. I'm probably going to finish 2 of these bowls. Guys, the Lord is supporting my cabbage soup diet because someone just gave us 2 big cabbages and then carrots as well. That's great because the carrots that I bought yesterday were actually dying. They're in the midst of dying, so they were really bad. But these are brand new. Okay, so I decided that tonight I'm gonna make a fresh batch of the soup, the cabbage soup, just because it's already like finished, because actually my whole family loved it. So some of it they ate as well. So that's why I made a new one. I find that it's good to eat it when it's fresh, because when it's not, it doesn't taste that good anymore. You know, the cabbage is soggy if you keep on reheating it. There you go, fresh new batch of the soup. Okay, so this is dinner for me. The soup, and then some watermelon. Soup is great. Ah, so hot. So this soup is very filling. Today is day 2 of the cabbage soup challenge, and guess what? I'm not looking forward to breakfast, lunch, dinner because it's exactly the same. That's the only thing about these diets though, is that it's very repetitive to eat, so it makes you not actually eat anything. At this point, I think you all probably know what I'm having for lunch, so just in case if you didn't, this is what I'm going to be eating. Alright you guys, so it's the 3rd day of the cabbage soup diet, and as of the moment, I am not looking forward to breakfast anymore. But you know what? I'm hungry, so I'm going to eat, guess what? Soup! I like soup all day, every day. Okay, so I decided to eat the soup with the papaya because I'm so done with this. Okay, so of course I'm still eating the cabbage soup, but however I'm going to be pairing it with some plantain bananas. Okay, here's the last cabbage soup dinner that I'm having for tonight. And this time I added in some potatoes. Guys, this is my dinner for tonight. This is actually quite a few. I'm gonna get another batch of the soup, of course. So my whole experience with this cabbage diet and all that is amazing. I'm gonna explain every single thing that I observed, especially the changes on my, because that was like the main thing that I wanted to do this kind of cleanse or detox, is because of my digestive issues. So I'm gonna eat this and then I'm going to be telling you all my experience. Let's eat. It's actually quite good because at this point I added in potatoes, just a little bit of potatoes, and it tasted good. Potatoes make everything better. What? No way. 48.8? Let me try that again. For the last time. Oh my gosh, it's 40. No way. Okay. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and measure my waist, and my dogs are barking because I think there's a visitor at our house. Okay, so last time I was about, as I've said, 27 inches, 27 and a half inches. My waistline was always 28 inches. I'm gonna go ahead and measure my waistline again today. No way. It's like 26. Not sure if you guys can see, but that's 25, and that's 26 right there. Oh my goodness. Okay. And it's kind of a bit loose for 26, but I think I'm just gonna put that as 26. I did lose an inch and a half, and regarding the bloatiness, I don't feel like a bloated flamingo anymore, and that's the thing that I'm very happy about. It wasn't even because my stomach looks big. It wasn't like that at all, because like most of the time I'm not wearing any tight clothing anyway, so I'm like, it's just easy to hide the bloating. It's just that feeling of bloatiness and uncomfortableness. That's the thing that I don't really like. Okay you guys, so I will be telling you all my experience. So as I've said, regarding the weight loss part, it really did work. I calculated everything, and as I've said, my starting weight before was 49.9, so that's a total of, in pounds, I converted it, and it's 110 pounds. So as what you guys have seen in the after, I weighed 48.8. So 48.8 equals to 107 pounds. So in total, I lost 3 pounds in 3 days. And I know that probably some of you are going to be like, oh my gosh, that is just water weight, you know, like it's not like a big deal, whatever. But it could probably be just water weight and all that, but it does work. And to come to think of it, that this whole challenge wasn't really hard because I was always full with my meals. I wasn't really starving myself, and in between I eat fruits, so that really filled me up. Okay, so for the part that I really like, and the main point that I did this whole cabbage soup diet, my digestion has amazingly improved. It did what I expected it to do, and if you come to think of it, it's just only 3 days. I saw results after 3 days. So that is it, you guys. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!